because I'm feeling that's a bit early for you people. Okay. So ma'am, let's start reading.
Ma'am, I am ready. I am start.
Okay, Neetu ma'am is starting. Yes, start ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Let's pretend for a moment that we can travel 200 years into the future. We have just arrived at a fortune where a large gathering of scholars
Scholars.
is
Huh.
scholars is scholars is discussing a period of history known as the 20th century. It is
20th
the
century. 20th century.
20th
Yes.
century. It is the time that still puzzles there. These learned men and women. They have been together for days. Time capsules have been opened and studied. Everyone has watched videotapes and has looked at artifacts, documents, and literature from this period. As you take a
Yes.
seat,
Geetu ma'am, you read, you continue ma'am. Geetu ma'am, continue. Geetu ma'am. Geetu ma'am is not there. She has already joined it. Geetu ma'am, can't you hear me?
yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
My mic mute था.
हाँ. Continue कीजिए.
Yes. As you take a seat at the back of a great hall, one scholar stands up and turns to address the others. Well, all the study of the 20th century has been most
Enlightening.
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 Enlightening. But
Yes.
I'm confused. Why are you so confused? The chairperson asks. Can the conclusion I am drawing from the evidence presented here possibly be correct? Is it possibly be correct? Is it true that during those years of
Monumental economic.
monumental economic turmoil back in
Yes,
the
Namita ma'am.
1990s?
Namita ma'am, you continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Namita ma'am, you continue, please.
The educational
Yes.
system completely refused to change, that it miserable failed to meet the need of the time. Judging from from this volume of evidence, it appeared to me that education failed in the one thing it most do to justify
It
its
must
very
be.
existence within society. It failed to respond to the times. It fails to prove people with, I think.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Now, yesterday I sent you a situation that
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
to pick up your child from the school and you're late and your child is angry. How will you handle? Yes, everybody give me the experience. अगर बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं तो बचपन में कभी ऐसा किया होगा. Just tell me. Yes, Namita ma'am, you start.
Yes, ma'am. My daughter is my daughter is very young now, but I imagine that time before.
Yeah, you can imagine that time, no doubt.
I went to the school. Actually, I was very late, so she was very scared, and she saw me, her expression completely changed, and she looked very angry, and she didn't say a single word. I tried to tried to talk to her. I tried to talk to her, but she denied. And after that, I petting her cheeks with love and kissed, but she didn't happy with me. And after that, I took her to this ice cream shop and purchased her favorite ice cream for her. And after that, she told me, Mama, you are very bad, you are late, I am very scared. And so I have a valid reason. But that time I thought that she didn't ready to listen. So I said sorry, and I never do this again. And
Very nice, ma'am. Very nice. You tried it out. Yes, Geetu, ma'am. Very
Yes, ma'am.
nice. Mm.
I'm going.
Ma'am, you're
I was.
very good. Very good.
I have go to pick my child after the school. That day I was late, and my son is very angry with me. Uh, uh, he when I reached there, he don't see me. मतलब मेरी तरफ नहीं देख रहा था.
He didn't
He
see. He didn't look at me. He didn't look at me.
he
He was
didn't
so
look
angry that he didn't look at me. Yeah.
he didn't look at me, and he said, I'm angry with you. And I know why he is angry with me. Then I asked him, what why are you angry with me? This is because I'm late. It's bit late because my car's tire was puncture. That's why I give him an excuse, and he did not want to listen anything, and he did not want to talk with me. And I was told him, okay, sorry, I never be late again. Okay, let's come, we will take ice cream, your favorite ice cream. He said, no, I don't want. Then I force him. I forced him, please, uh, let me come with come with me. Then he said, okay. And we went there, ice cream parlor, and I talk him, मैम इधर उधर की बात, स्कूल की बातें, chats
I talked about
chats
here and there. I talked about here and there. इधर उधर की
I
बातें.
I talk about here and there, and I talk his school's chats or his school's activity. Then he normal than that time.
He became normal. Yes.
Yes.
Excellent, ma'am. Very good. Very good. It's a very good try. Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Yes, Neetu, ma'am. Please come up.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Neetu, ma'am.
Okay. So when I went to school,
Pick up my child.
pick up my child, I was late, so that's why my child is very angry to me, and I saw to him again and again. He was looking very upset. I will I tried to talk with him. What happened? And he said to me, why are you late?" So I gave the reason why I'm late, and he said, "No, you should come at time, because I will be nervous, and when I won't see you, so I have confused when I should go." So I told him, whenever I'm not here, so you go to your teacher or your headmaster to confirm that. So mm, he said, okay, and I will um, I was pamper her and pamper him. Okay, I never be late, and I never be do like this. Let's go. Let's play a game with you. So he said, "Okay, Mama, we will play, and we will." I will. I said, I give you a gift for your cricket academy, because he's very much cricket. That's
Very
it.
nice, ma'am. Very nice. Very nice. You all three tried wonderful. It's good. ऐसे आप try करते रहोगे तो I think आप बहुत जल्दी you'll be on track. Very nice. Yes, ma'am. Grammar part we'll do now. Today we are going to do present perfect tense. Yesterday we did present continuous and simple present also we have done. So today we are going to do present perfect. Now, one thing in present perfect, we can use has, have, plus the third form of the verb. Am I clear, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Has, have, plus third form of the verb. Yes, ma'am. So,
Yes, miss.
I've sent you B exercise. Please, let's start. Is there any message for me? Yes.
I
Please.
haven't seen the mail yet.
I have not seen the आपका haven't गलत नहीं है यहाँ मगर जब हम लिखने वगैरह ग्रामर में रख तो haven't नहीं आएगा मैम बोलचाल में आएगा I have not
हाँ.
seen the mail yet. When is Deccan Queen expected to arrive?
I have already arrived, sir.
It has already
हाँ.
arrived.
It
Arrived,
has
sir.
already arrived, sir.
Next. Yes. I have been to.
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
been
I
to all
have
the
been
major
to
countries of
all the major
Europe,
countries
but
in Europe, but
I
हाँ.
have not
uh,
visited.
I have not
visited Italy so far.
Italy so far. Very good. Very good. Yes.
How long
How long have you lived?
lived
He lived here in this house.
in this house?
Very good. How long have you lived here? Have you lived
How
here
long
in this house?
have you lived
Next,
here?
20 years up to
20 years
now.
up to now.
Yes, next.
She have finished the paper yet?
No.
Has she finished
Has
the
she
paper
not?
yet?
Has she finished? Has she not finished the paper yet? क्योंकि अगर वो positive होता तो हम आते has she finished the paper मगर yet लिखा हुआ है तो you have to say has she not finished the paper yet? Yes. No, sir.
No, sir. She has not.
She
has just
attempted 5 questions so far.
attempted
5 questions so far.
Attempted.
5 questions so far. ठीक है.
Did you
enjoy your lunch?
Yes, it is the best food.
It is the best I have
Food?
I have
eaten.
ever eaten. Very good. Very good.
I
Very
have
nice.
ever eaten.
I have eaten. Yes. Now using the given words, make meaningful sentences in present perfect tense. Here it is.
Some books,
Some new
some new
books
books have arrived today.
today. Very good. Very good.
Some new
Very
books
nice.
have arrived today.
These
Yes.
talks
The peace has talked, fail again.
मैम
failed
देखो
again.
यहाँ क्वेश्चन मार्क है, यहाँ क्वेश्चन मार्क है, तो क्वेश्चन मार्क में आप कैसे क्वेश्चन शुरू करते हो?
Yes, ma'am. The peace talk has the peace talks
Fell again.
Failed again.
Failed
Failed.
again.
Has the
Failed
peace
again.
talk failed
Has the
again?
peace talk failed again.
Is it clear, ma'am? Next.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
They have not invited me to the party.
Very good. They have not invited me to the party. Yes.
Has she won the match?
Very good. Very good. There is a question mark. So has she won the match? Yes. Next.
Ravi has lost all hopes.
Lost all hopes.
All hope.
Very good. Very good. Huh. Next.
I have not seen you for
ages.
Ages. I have not
Ages.
seen you for ages. Very good.
Ages.
Excellent. बहुत अच्छा. Now, ma'am, one thing more. You're responding also. आपको जो ग्रामर की मैं लेसन्स भेजती हूँ ना,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
आप
ma'am.
वैसे घर बैठे उसको थोड़ा प्रिपेयर कर लिया करिए. वैसे मैं फ्रीक्वेंटली थोड़े दिनों के बाद आपको छोटी छोटी एक्सरसाइजेस भेज दिया करूंगी. I mean, it will be
Okay.
beneficial and very good for you people. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. मैम हाउ टू से मेरी आंख फड़क रही है.
अभी सब बताऊंगी, वो भी बताऊं. Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
it's
see?
not very clear. Happy.
मैं बोलती जाऊंगी.
Yes,
यस मैम नाउ क्लियर है.
Now is it
पूरा
clear,
नहीं दिख रहा
ma'am?
है. हाँ यस मैम.
ठीक है. Very happy, very happy. It is delighted. आप बहुत खुश हैं, तो you are delighted. Next. Very angry, annoyed. Very happy.
मधु मैम,
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा ज्यादा क्लोज है, थोड़ा सा दूर करें. वेरी नहीं दिख रहा है.
Here.
हैप्पी डिलाइटेड लिखा दिख रहा है. ये
Now,
थोड़ा सा और
is
दूर,
it better?
थोड़ा सा और डिस्टेंस.
Distance? Here.
थोड़ा सा पीछे कर दीजिए बोर्ड को. वो पूरा बोर्ड पूरा लिखा हुआ नहीं दिख रहा.
अभी आपको ये तो दिख रहा है ना, जब वो नीचे का आएगा तो I'll put it there. कहीं ऐसा ना हो सारा गलती हो जाए मेरे से. Very happy, delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. Delighted. Very angry, annoyed. Very angry, annoyed. Are you knowing? Can you see the spelling? A-double-N-O-Y-E-D. A-double-N-O-Y-E-D. Very bad. Very bad. Atrocious. A-T-R-O-C-I-O-U-S. Atrocious.
atrocious.
Atrocious. The traffic in Mumbai is atrocious. वैसे मुंबई क्यों कहें, दिल्ली में भी तो कह सकते हैं. The traffic in Delhi is atrocious.
Atrocious.
Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
big, huge, Huge, huge. Huge. Very clean. Tidy, Tidy, Tidy. Very clean, tidy, Tidy. Tidy. Very clean, tidy. Very dirty, squalid, Squalid. Our car looks squalid. It needs a good wash. Our
Squalid.
car looks squalid. It needs a good wash.
Squalid. Squalid. Squalid.
It needs a good wash. Our car looks squalid. It needs a good wash. Have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. एक revision दे दें. Very happy. Very happy.
Delighted.
Today I'm delighted. Today I'm
Delighted.
Today I am
delighted.
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 My son is annoyed with me. My son is annoyed with me. बहुत गुस्सा है.
My son is annoyed with me.
अच्छा.
My
अब
son is
annoyed का
annoyed
एक
with
और
me.
लिख लीजिए. हाँ, annoyed का एक और लिख लीजिए. Furious. Furious.
Furious.
Furious जब
Yes.
होता है ना बंदा, तो कुछ ना कुछ नुकसान भी करता है. Annoyed तो गुस्सा कर दिया. Furious में थोड़ा सा नुकसान भी है, कोई तोड़ फोड़ भी कर देगा. Okay. Very bad. Atrocious.
Very
The traffic in
atrocious.
atrocious. The traffic in Delhi is
A traffic
atrocious.
in Delhi is
That
atrocious.
is atrocious.
Yeah, the condition of this house is atrocious. इस घर की हालत तो बहुत बुरी हो रही है. ठीक है मैम?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very big, huge.
Huge.
It's a huge
Huge.
building. Huge building. Okay. Very clean.
Tidy.
सब
Your
कहते हैं ना,
house is
neat,
very tidy. Your house is tidy.
neat
Very
and
tidy.
clean, neat and clean,
Neat and-
tidy. Spick and span भी बोलते हैं इसको. Spick and span, वो मैं आगे कराऊंगी आपको. Okay?
Thick and
अच्छा.
span.
हाँ. Next है, जैसे आप कहते हो कि किसी के घर गए हो, The house is neat, spick and span. Spick and span. Acha.
Span.
Very dirty, very dirty. Squalid, squalid.
Squalid.
Yeah,
Squalid.
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 Yeah. Yes. मेरी टीचर बहुत उदार है, उदार है, डांटती डूंटती नहीं है. बच्चे कई बार
My
कहते हैं ना, the teach. Yes.
My teacher is very generous.
Lenient.
Lenient. Okay.
Lenient.
Lenient. She's very lenient.
Lenient.
L-I-N-E-N-T.
L-I-N-E-N-T.
N-T. Lenient. She's very lenient. एक और इसका उल्टा क्या होता है बताओ?
Strict.
Strict. Very good.
My teacher is very lenient.
Strict. तुम्हारी बात के पीछे मत क्या है? जैसे आप कहते हो ना कि मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, कहना क्या चाह रहे हो, मत क्या है? What's the logic
What is it?
behind you? What is the logic
the
behind it?
Behind it. What is the logic behind it?
What is the logic behind it? देख लिया जी? No.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. I want to get my dress stitched. मुझे अपनी ड्रेस
Okay.
सिलवानी है. I want to get my dress stitched.
Mm.
और मुझे अपनी ड्रेस ठीक करवानी है.
Prepare.
Altered.
Altered. I want to get my dress
Altered.
altered. वो बात को जल्दी मान लेता है.
He is very.
He can be easily convinced. He can be easily convinced.
He can be easily convinced.
He can be easily convinced.
Convinced या
C-O-N-V-I-N. Pardon?
Convinced या convinced?
Convinced. C-O-N-V-I-N-C-E-D. Convinced.
Yes.
वो कान का कच्चा है. कान का कच्चा समझते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
किसी की भी बातों में आ जाना. He is a credulous person. He is a credulous fellow. जैसे किसी ने कहा और एकदम किसी की बात पूरी सुनते भी नहीं है और रिएक्ट कर देते हैं. कान का कच्चा. अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाना. Am I clear, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please
Mary,
repeat the word.
repeat this.
Credulous.
He-
CREDULOUS. Credulous.
LOUN. Credulous.
CREDULOUS. Credulous. Are you getting it, ma'am?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
He's a credulous person. यानी सुनता तो है नहीं किसी की, मतलब सुनता ही है, अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाता. होते हैं ना कहीं,
Yes, ma'am.
एक आध बंदा निकल ही आता है. तुम मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हो.
You can
You
believe
can
me.
trust on me.
You can
You
Trust
can
on
trust
me.
on me, yeah, you can believe me.
you can rely on me. You can rely on me. Rely on me, मुझ पर भरोसा करो. RELY. Rely. Rely on me. You can rely on me. ठीक है, आप बदतमीजी कर रहे हैं. You are misbehaving.
You are
You are
misbehavior. Misbehaving.
misbehaving.
Behaving.
आपने इसे बहुत ज्यादा लाडला बना लिया है. You have pampered him a lot. You have pampered him a lot. अब बोलिए मेरे साथ,
You
बोलिए.
have-
रिटर्न में
So you have
बोलने से
pampered
ज्यादा
me.
होगा.
You have
Pampered
pampered
him.
pampered him a lot.
Pamper him a lot.
You have
You
pampered
have
अपने-
pampered him a lot.
या आप अपने काम में कितने समर्पित हैं. How much dedicated you are towards your work. आप रिपीट कीजिए. How
How
much
much dedicated to you towards your
Are-
work.
Yes. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
अभी आपने किसी को ओके कहना, ओके, तो क्या कहेंगे? जैसे हर बात में हम ओके कहते हैं. श्योर, गो अहेड. Certainly. Sure, go ahead. Certainly. Almighty. Right, right, dash O, righto, righto. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me.
Yes.
Sound good.
अभी आप लोग बोलेंगे क्योंकि आपने बोला कम है. मेरी टीचर बहुत उदार है. नीतू मैम.
My teacher is very उदार है. Lenient.
Lenient. My teacher is very lenient. सब लोग बोल लो
Lenient. My
इसको.
teacher.
My teacher
My
is
सभी
teacher
बोलो.
is very lenient.
My teacher is
Lenient.
very lenient.
फिर से बोलिए.
My teacher
My
is very
teacher is-
lenient.
Very lenient.
तुम्हारी बात के पीछे मत क्या है? What's
What
the
is the
logic
Logic
behind?
behind it.
बोलिए गीतू
What's
मैम,
the
आप
logic?
नहीं बोल रहे हो.
What's the logic behind it?
Yes, I
What's
want
the
to
logic
get
behind
my,
it?
yes, I want to get my dress stitched.
I want to
I
get
want
my
to get my dress stitched.
मुझे अपनी ड्रेस ठीक करवानी है.
I
I
want to get my dress altered.
altered.
Or altered, altered, altered.
Altered.
ALTERED, altered.
Altered.
Getting it,
Altered.
ma'am?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
मैम अगर कहीं डाउट हो, कुछ हो, आप कितनी बार मर्जी पूछिए, मेरे को गुस्सा नहीं आता, फिक्र ना करो। आप जितनी बार पूछोगे आई टेल यू। ऑल्टर्ड, कोई स्पेलिंग में डाउट है तो यू कैन आस्क दैट स्पेलिंग आल्सो। वह बात को जल्दी मान लेता है। He can be easily convinced.
convinced.
फिर से बोलिए।
He can be easily convinced.
वेरी गुड। वो कान का कच्चा है।
He is very credulous.
He is a
Credulous.
Very credulous.
मैम आप
Credulous.
बोल रहे हो। He is credulous fellow.
Credulous.
Credulous fellow. He is credulous fellow.
Fellow. He
Credulous
is
fellow.
credulous.
He is very credulous fellow.
He is credulous fellow.
या आप मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हैं।
You can
You
rely
can
on.
rely on me.
आप बदतमीजी कर रहे हैं।
You are
You are
misbehaving.
misbehaving.
आपने इसको बहुत बिगाड़ रखा है, बहुत लाडला बना दिया है।
You have
You have
बिगाड़ा
pampered
नहीं
him a
मतलब
lot.
लाडला बना दिया है। You have
pampered him a
pampered.
lot.
You have
Him
pampered
lot, a
him a
lot.
lot. आप अपने काम के तरफ कितने समर्पित हैं?
How
much
much dedicated towards
your work?
your work?
How towards your work? How much dedicated you are towards your work? मेहरबानी से कुछ तो बोलो।
मेहरबानी से
For
कुछ तो
God's
बोलो.
sake, something speak. Please tell something.
Please say
At
something.
least speak something. At least speak
Please
something.
speak
At least
something.
please say something.
At least say something. At least speak something. Yes. Okay को कैसे बोलेंगे?
Sure.
Sure. Go ahead.
Some
Certainly.
go ahead. Certainly.
Sure go
right,
ahead एक ही
oh.
word है। मैम sure go ahead. Sure go ahead.
Okay. Okay.
Okay की
Okay.
जगह हाँ। Certainly.
Hmm.
Certainly. Almighty.
Right, oh.
Almighty. Right.
Almighty. Right.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Sounds
Good
to
to
me.
me.
मैम एक बात बताऊं आप लोगों को, आप जितना इसकी प्रैक्टिस कर लोगे ना यहाँ पर या अदर, तो दैट विल बी मोर इजियर फॉर यू टू स्पीक। नहीं तो पता है क्या होगा, ये आपके रजिस्टर